Deputy President William Ruto says that security officials at the coast who have been compromised by drug lords will be dealt with firmly. Ruto was speaking in Mombasa this morning, shortly after meeting top coast security officials led by Regional Coordinator Nelson Marwa, where he reiterated that the government will not spare anyone in the renewed fight against the illegal trade.
Yes, there could be officers that have been compromised by the drug barons, but we have been very clear, and I do not want to mention here some of the disciplinary actions that have been taken against officers that have been suspected to have participated or to have been compromised in one way or another. That process is ongoing. There is a lot that is happening around our security teams to ensure that the laxity that has existed in the past, we deal with it firmly. All the officers here have been adequately briefed on what they need to do, because this is one war against drugs and terror that we must win by all means. It doesn't matter what it takes, whatever it takes, whatever it costs. The government of Kenya has resolved that this is one item. This is one war, because the war on drugs is actually a war that we are fighting for our children and for our future.